Hi, this is Teacher Jay and welcome to Minds Tutorial. So our lesson today is about multiplication of one-digit numbers greater than 5. Ito yung isa pang paraan on how to multiply numbers kasi yung mga bata, lalong-lalo na if you are just learning the multiplication, medyo nahihirapan sila in terms of multiplication of whole numbers or one-digit numbers na greater than 5 like 8 times 7, 9 times 6, and 7 times 9. It will take time for them to get the answer, di ba? Pero in this way, I believe na madali lang matutunan sa bata to. Alright? So, ang tawag dito is expanded multiplication. In this way, hindi na kailangan i-memorize ng bata yung buong table of multiplication from 1 until table of 10. Okay? You will just familiarize the table of 1 until table of 5. Yung 6 until table of 9, hindi mo na kailangan i-familiarize yun. Alright? Because in this way, we are making multiplication of numbers easy. Okay? So, this is the best way on how to learn multiplication. Lalong-lalo na if you are just learning the multiplication. Alright? So, now let's start our lesson. First is 8 times 7. Basically, 8 times 7, that is equal to 56, right? Advantage if you know already how to multiply those numbers, right? 8 times 7, 9 times 6, and 7 times 9. Pero if you are just learning the multiplication, at lalong-lalo na if you are dealing big numbers, so sa mga bata, like grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, ay mahihirapan sila on how to multiply this. And minsan may mga grade 5 pa at grade 6 na medyo hindi pa nila alam on how to multiply numbers like this. Okay lang pag 1 times 2, 2 times 3, madali lang yon. How about these numbers? It will take time. So I hope na panuorin mo tong video na to because it will really help you how to multiply one-digit numbers greater than 5. Alright? So let's start number 1. 8 times 7. Instead multiplying them, 8 times 7 is equal to 56. Ang gagawin mo is hahatiin mo yung 8 into 2. Alright? In which one of the numbers is equal to 5. Okay? So, yung isa is 5. Ano yung ipares natin kay 5? Na kapag i-add natin yung number na yon, it will give you the answer of 8. So that is 3. Right? Because 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Ang gagawin mo is i-multiply mo yung dalawang numbers by 7. Bakit ko hinati into 2? Remember, yung table of 5 is madali lang siya. Right? So, I encourage you to familiarize the table of 5. Alright? So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Ganun lang yun, di ba? You gonna skip counting by 5 lang naman for table of 5. So, madali lang yun i-memorize sa bata. Madali lang yun i-familiarize sa bata. Alright? Kaya, yung ginawa ko dito, hinati ko yung numbers into 2. Alright? So, 5 times 7, so madali lang yun. Ang gagawin mo lang is you will just keep counting by 5 until 7. Di ba? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So, ibig sabihin, 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Right? Then, let's proceed to 3 times 7. And 3 times 7, madali lang yun, di ba? You will just keep counting by 3. That's why I encourage you to familiarize only table of 1 until table of 5. Kung alam mo na yun, no need for you to familiarize table of 6 until table of 9. Alright? So, 3 times 7, alam naman natin that is 21. And after that, we have to add. Alright? So, 5 plus 1, that is 6. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So, 8 times 7 is equal to 56. Alright? That is how you are going to multiply. Now, let's proceed to number 2. 9 times 6. So, yung hahatiin natin dito is 9. So, that is 5. And 4. And then multiply both numbers by 6. So 5 times 6, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Alright? So that is 30. And 4 times 6, that is 24. Alright? So itong table of 4 medyo may kahirapan siya ng konti compare sa other table of multiplication. Kasi yung table of 1, table of 2, and table of 3, madali lang naman siya. So itong sa table of 4, medyo may konting kahirapan lang siya compare doon sa table of 1, table of 2, and table of 3. Alright? But if you keep on familiarizing this table of 1 until table of 5, then madali na lang siya gawin. Alright? So 4 times 6, that is 24. And then, i-add natin yan. 0 plus 4, that is 4. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 9 times 6, that is equal to 54. Alright? Ganun lang kasimple. And now, let's proceed to the last one. 7 times 9. Okay? Pipiliin natin yung malaki. So, 9 is bigger. So, ang gagawin natin kay 9 is 5 and 4. Multiply natin by 7. Multiply natin by 7. So, 5 times 7, that is 35. 4 times 7 equals 28. Alright? And i-add natin yan. 5 plus 8, that is 13. Then, 1 there. So, that is 6. So, the answer of 7 times 9, that is 60. So, that's all for our lesson for today about other way of multiplying one-digit numbers greater than 5. This is what we call the expanded multiplication. I hope na may natutunan ka, and please do not forget this lesson dahil makakatulong ito sa iyo. Alright, this is Teacher J once again saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye!